Okay, Python Web Conference folks, I am joined today by Andy Knight, and he's going to be one of our speakers for the upcoming Python Web Conference here in March.
So hi, everyone. My name is Andy Knight. I'm the Automation Panda. I'm also a developer advocate at Apple Tools. I love Python. I've been in the community for the past couple of years. In fact, Calvin and I first met at my first PyCon in 2018. Super cool fact there. But I typically focus on things around software testing, automation, quality, and BDD.
You'll be joining us this year for Python Web Conference as a speaker, and I'm super excited to have you. And you're not doing just one talk, you're also doing a tutorial. Do you want to give folks a little teaser about what you're going to tell us all about?
For the talk, it's entitled East Meets West When Translating Django Apps. It's a story about how my family and I started a small business doing exports to China, and how for that app, I needed to translate all the forms and all the things in it between English and Chinese at the click of a button. In the tutorial, which will be longer, I'll be showing you how to automate end-to-end tests in Python using Playwright, which is a new test automation framework from Microsoft.
So you're gonna walk folks through it, right? We're gonna hands-on keyboard, actually learn Playwright, kind of a real intro, you get started talk, right?
Exactly. And we're not only going to learn how to use Playwright, but also how to build a good test project with Playwright.
Oh, nice.
So that by the time it's over, you'll have that repo or that project ready to go that you could add new tests in.
What are you looking forward to at the conference? It's
a great way to get exposed to a lot of different things. You meet new people, you get new ideas outside of your narrow focus of specialty. I said I focus on testing and automation, but when I go to a conference like Python Web Conference, I can pick up things about like Django and Flask that I wouldn't have known before.
Thank you for being a part of this and doing, not only a talk, but also a tutorial. I'm super excited to have you along for the ride.